Hey guys, I'm Tina. In this channel, I teach CBSE 8th Maths. Check out our videos on the playlist. Alright guys, now let's get into the video.
So guys, let's read the question. A mixture of paint is prepared by mixing 1 part of red pigment with the 8 parts of base. In the following table, find the part of base that needed to be added. So in this question the base is given, isn't it? So let me show you guys. So here for 1 part of red pigment, okay, it means that 1 bottle of paint, okay. So for 1 bottle of paint 8 bases are needed. Base means like to pour that we will use a bottle, right, that bottle, okay. So 8 bases are needed. So the question is, for 4 pigment how many bases needed? So of course here you guys can see 1 and 8. Compare 1 and 8. Is it big or small? So before that, yeah, just leave about 1 and 8. Okay. So 1 by 4. So in this, is it increasing or decreasing? The numbers are increasing or it's getting smaller? Of course here you guys can see the numbers are increasing because after 1 4 is there, which is a greater number. So here one side it is increasing. The next side we shall check. We have 8 by x1. So what do you think the x1 value is going to be? Is it going to be greater than 8 or smaller than 8? So we have to understand that, okay. So how will we understand? Here for 1 base, 1 part of red pigment, okay. So 1 part of red pigment, 8 bases needed. So think about 4. So for 4 red pigment, extra bottles will be needed, right? So 4 by x1, which is going to be greater than 8. So here also it's increasing. So which means it is direct proportion. So this is why I was checking, okay. So what does it mean? It means that first we have to check whether it is direct or indirect proportion. So direct means both the side it will be increasing or together it will be decreasing. If one side it is increasing and one more side it is decreasing, it means indirect proportion, okay. So now we shall find the values for these. So first let me take, yeah. So here first we have 1 by 8, isn't it? So let's write 1 by 8. That's the only given values. Other than that we don't have any other full values. So first we are going to be finding the value of x1, okay. Remember x1. So 1 by 8 is equal to 4 by x1. So this is the format we have. 1 by 8 is equal to 4 by x1. So now how am I going to find the value of x1? So we have to take reciprocal, okay. For both the values we should take reciprocal. That's the concept of direct proportion. So let's take reciprocal. So it will become 8 by 1 is equal to x1 by 4. So now you guys can say I can convert the 4 to the other side. So it will become 8 by 1. So when division will go to the other side, it will become multiplication. So into 4 is equal to x1. So 8 4s are 32. So 32 is equal to x1. So finally now we found the value of x1. So this is the value for x1, okay. Now we are going to be finding value for x2. So how are we going to find? We are going to use the same method, okay. So I'll just write it in this side. So we have 1 by 8. We fully will take the first value only, okay. So 1 by 8 is equal to 7 by x2. So now 8 by 1 reciprocal. Don't forget the reciprocal method, okay. That's really an important step. X by 2 and here 7. So now 8 into 7 is, so here 1 will be there, is equal to x2. So 8 7s are 56. So x2 value is 56. So finally we found the x1 and x2 value. But still, don't forget, we have to find the x3 and x4 value. So let me show you guys. So for x3 also we will write it as 1 by 8 is equal to 12 by x3. So let me show you guys. So 1 by 8 is equal to 12 by x3. So now, as you guys know, reciprocal is needed. So 8 by 1 is equal to x3 by 12. So now 8 by 1 into 12 is equal to x3. So now just multiply 12 into 8 is 96. So x3 value is 96. So why am I not including the 1? Because it's not having any values, okay. 8 by 1 means the answer is 8, like that, okay. So 96 by 1 means the answer is 96. So now we shall find the value for x4. So for x4 also I will write 1 by 8 is equal to 20 by x4. So now 8 by 1 is equal to x4 by 20. So now you guys know 8 into 20 is equal to x4. So you guys must write 8 by 1, okay, that's important. So 8 into 20 is 160. So 160 is equal to x4. So finally we found the value of x1, x2, x3 and x4. So this is our answer.
Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video, share it to your friends and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye.